guys, so this is my 2003 Ford Explorer. Right now I'm getting ready to replace the water pump and the fan clutch. So what you want to do is you want to get the top hose out the way. So I'm getting ready to go ahead and take that out. And I'm going to show y'all how to take this off with a couple common tools. All you need is basically like a monkey wrench and your 3/8 driver right here. And let me show y'all how to get this off. Alright guys, so basically what you want to do is you want to create as much tension on the water pump pulley, and then you want to get your monkey wrench and you want to break it free. Mine is already broken free, but I'm holding it here just to kind of show you guys exactly what I did. I wish I had somebody out here to record, but you know, part of the game, man, when you're doing stuff yourself. Let me get this off and I'll get right back with you. Alright guys, so what I'm doing right now is basically spinning the fan clutch off of the water pulley pump. So, as you can see, it's coming off. So, let me get the rest of this off and I'll get right back to you. Alright guys, there y'all have it. Got the fan and the fan clutch off. I'm gonna get the fan cleaned up. Sound like all that black stuff. And there goes your water. So now you have access to your water pump pulley. So I'm gonna take these bolts off, and it'll give me access to the water pump. We're gonna get that changed out. Get right back with y'all. All right, guys. Hopefully I can see that. But I got the belt off, and now I'm taking out the bolts from the water pump pulley. Hopefully y'all can see that. What I did was I put more tension on the belt. These are here pretty tight. And once I broke them free, I went ahead and took the belt off and basically just started loosening up the pump. I mean the pulley from the pump. Alright, and there she is. Got the water pump right there. And yup, she's bad. I don't know if y'all can see that. But basically that's where my coolant been coming out from. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this water pump off and be right back with you guys.
I'm back with another video. This is a continuation from the last video. Just want to give y'all a few updates. Still working on the Ford. Got the water pump together. You know, everything's is holding fluid now. It's not leaking anymore. So we're getting ready to do a tune-up on this thing.
All right, so got the new water pump in. This is a new belt, y'all. So this belt ain't old, and that's a new pulley. I did that a while back, so of course, you know, it's been running. It is holding coolant now, you know. We went with the blue spark plug wires. Got the NGK set, you know what I'm saying? And some NGK spark plugs, feed power. I've already started getting rid of the gray wires. Let me show y'all one of the old spark plugs. So that's the old spark plug out of the Explorer. I think the last time I did a tune-up to this thing was when I first got it. So we'll go ahead and get this together. So let me continue what I'm doing. I'll get right back with you. All right, guys, so we got one side done, as y'all can see. All that stuff off over there, the air filter box and all that stuff, and we'll get this other side done. Alright guys, so when you're doing this on this side, you gotta take off a little bit more stuff. So I'm gonna start by unscrewing this. Y'all forgive me, I am not left-handed, okay? Slide this out. Make sure you get these clamps right here. I'm gonna take those off. Okay. And that should loosen it up a little bit more. Alright, this whole thing should stop.
slide out. Now let's use that. This does pop off, as I can see. That slides out. Disconnect this hose. And of course, go ahead and disconnect the map sensor. I know I probably could have did that a different way, but it'll be alright. Then that reveals hoses, spark plugs. Right there. And you just repeat the same stuff you did on the other side. So let me start taking these out. I'll be right, guys. So this is what a new spark plug looks like. Okay. This one is the old one I just pulled out of that port right there. And these are all the 3 that I pulled out on the side. As y'all can see, they just about filed out. So it's a good thing we're doing this tune up. I still got to do the fuel filter. So I'm gonna keep going. We're gonna go ahead and finish changing all this stuff out, and then we'll try to get to the fuel filter today. Get that changed out as well, and I'll show y'all how to do that, guys. As y'all can see, we got everything back together. Map sensor, blue cables now. Everything looking good. As y'all can see down there, these are the old spark plugs. They filed out pretty bad. I think I've had this truck for almost 4 years, and yeah, let's give it a start. Matter of fact, we got remote start, so see how she sounds. Oh yeah, much better. I'm not struggling to turn on now. Quiet, not sputtering. Hell yeah. Alright guys, this is gonna be a wrap for this video right here. Y'all for tuning in, man. Y'all stay blessed out there. Deuces.